Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're a MacBook user, chances are you're tired of being that person who's juggling dongles just to get a mouse to work. Well, today I might just have the solution to all your problems. Meet the Logitech Pebble i345. This little thing is a total game changer, and trust me, it's not just another mouse. But before we dive into all the cool features, let's quickly go through the unboxing experience. Okay, let's talk design. Look at this thing. It's so slim, it could slide right into your back pocket without breaking a sweat. It's got this clean, minimalist look and it's available in a few cool colors. I'm here for that. No crazy RGB lights, no unnecessary bulk, just pure simplicity. I've got the white version and honestly, it feels so fresh and clean. But what makes this really special, especially if you're a MacBook user like me, is the Bluetooth connection. That means no more fighting with those annoying little USB-A dongles. All you need is Bluetooth. It connects seamlessly with your MacBook Pro, and let's be honest, who doesn't love a clean dongle-free workspace? Plus, it frees up a USB-C port for something more useful. Okay, so let's talk performance. For tasks like video editing, graphic design, or even just day-to-day stuff, this mouse is so responsive and smooth. The tracking is pretty on point, and I've been using it to edit my YouTube videos with zero complaints. It's silent, which is a huge win. I don't need to worry about annoying clicks while I'm deep in the editing zone. You're getting these super quiet, almost ninja-like clicks if you're recording voiceovers or just working in a quiet environment. Another thing I love, this little guy is so portable. Whether you're hopping between meetings or just working at a coffee shop, it's lightweight and compact. It also feels great in your hand. Whether you're a righty or a lefty, the Pebble i345 has you covered with its ambidextrous design. It's comfy and I can use it for hours without getting hand cramps. And it works on just about any surface. I've used it on my desk, my couch, and even a blanket. It tracks smoothly. Logitech claims that this thing can last up to 18 months on just one AA battery. This also means no charging cables to deal with. Just swap out the battery when it dies and you're done. So, to sum it up, the Logitech Pebble i345 is the perfect Bluetooth mouse for any MacBook user, or really anyone looking for a low-profile, high-performance mouse. It's wireless, it's silent, it's sleek, it doesn't require a USB dongle, and it works just on about any surface. Plus, it has an ambidextrous design, so no one's really left out. Alright folks, that's it for today's review. If you like this video and want to see more tech reviews, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment if you have any questions about the Pebble i345 or anything else. Until next time, stay techy, stay sleek, and most importantly, stay dongle free.